This warning has been issued by the Special Anomalies of Blizzardia. We have issued a civil danger warning to the entire state of Blizzardia until further notice. Please listen to this message carefully, as it might save your life. We have investigated these strange videos of ice creatures and they are real. We are unsure as to how they were created. There also appears to be two types of ice entities. The first type seems to be in the early stages of ice crystal formations, while the second type seems to be in the late stages of crystal formations and strange veins all over it, with some even outside its body. Though we cannot confirm if this can transmit to humans, or if possibly these are the missing people, as we couldn't test any of them yet. This is why we highly recommend to always lock your doors and windows. Always check for any suspicious activities. Though we do have information on how to defend yourself from these entities. The best way to do so is with a melee weapon. These ice creatures are also increasing in large numbers. The Blizzardia State Police Department has also gotten more missing person reports. There are now 95 people that were reported missing since the end of the blizzard. This is all for now. Stay aware of your surroundings.